Welcome to the Brothers Barn, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own face mask from home. It's going to be similar to what the CDC is showing you guys, but there's a couple secrets that they didn't tell you that will help your face mask. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get started on showing you how to make a better face mask than what the CDC has shown you. Okay, first get your bandana or some type of cloth that you'd like to use. I'm going to use this bandana and we're going to fold that in the middle and then fold the other side in the middle. Fold up, fold down, and get you two rubber bands. One will go over on this side, like so, and the other one on the other side. Like so. And then you will fold those two. Then you will fold those two over, like so, and got you a nice face mask, right? Looks like it works, looks like it's good, but check this out. Get a lighter. So when you're sneezing and stuff, all that is still coming out because the lighter went out. So how can we fix that? Well, I'm going to show you that. So one of the two ways that you can fix that is, now that you already made your mask, you just kind of unfold those and you can see you got a little pouchy right here, right? See that little pouch? Well, we are going to take your common paper towel. I call it 2 sheets. You're going to fold it, and then you're going to fold it again. You can use any kind of paper towel you'd like. It doesn't really matter. And then just take that and slide that into your pouch on both sides, like so. Just like that. See, it's in there. And then we're going to make sure this is all folded back up. Fold our little wings back. And okay, got my mask back on. Make sure my nose is covered and all that. Okay, I've got my mask back on. Now, the test. Will this piece of paper towel stop air from coming out? That shouldn't be. Flame did not go out. So that paper towel is helping keep that air from exiting, so when you're sneezing and stuff, you're not spreading that COVID-19. Now you're probably thinking, James, paper towels are hard to come by right now. I get that. So say we don't want to use paper towels because, you know, they are hard to come by. Well, why not use coffee filters? That's right, coffee filters. You can see coffee filters, kind of like paper towel, just a little bit more fine than a paper towel. So I did find using 2 of these is better. And you take two coffee filters, place them on top of each other, fold them in half, just like so. Again, place that in your little pouch. Put your mask back on. Okay, got my mask on. Now, let's try and see, will it prevent the air from blowing out the fire? Okay, as you can see, coffee filters will prevent that also. So, the face mask that the CDC has shown you how to use helps a little bit. If you could just add paper towel or a coffee filter, that's going to help protect you and everyone else better. So these are the two options that I came up with. If you guys have a better idea, leave a comment, let me know. Or if you've tried it and it works or doesn't work, let me know. Leave a comment. I'm curious to see what everyone has to say. But until next time, make sure you guys stay safe. And I'll catch you on the next video. Love you, everyone.